I made a video using an AI video generator. In this video, I'll show you how I brought it to life this video in just 4 easy steps. The best part, you can do it too using free tools. It's simple and doesn't require much effort. Before we start, let me share how I got the idea for this video. As usual, I was binge watching YouTube during my nightly routine. My 6-year-old daughter asked for a story. Unsure, I searched on YouTube and accidentally found a channel. These videos caught my attention with thousands of views in just a week. Curiosity led me to check the numbers on Social Blade, revealing that they generated $9,000 in the last month. Further research showed Faceless videos focusing on Gautam Buddha stories, Buddha teachings, Buddha quotes, motivation stories, and inspirational stories. That's it, I decided to create my own channel with similar content. In this video, I'll guide you step by step, using only AI tools, covering script writing, visuals, and voiceovers. To begin our video, we need a story. So I turned to ChatGPT and asked, "Can you give me some stories on Gautam Buddha stories?" It came up with The Monkey's Gift, which I loved. Then I requested the chatbot to expand and continue the story, and it provided the complete script for The Monkey's Gift. Satisfied, I needed more from ChatGPT to transform the story into prompts for generating images. I asked, "Can you make prompts for this story to generate pictures?" And voila! ChatGPT provided prompts based on The Monkey's Gift for image generation. It's crazy how quickly we came up with the story idea and prompts. But trust me, we're just getting started because what comes next is mind-blowing. You've probably heard about AI art and how you can generate original images by typing a few words. That's exactly what I did to complete the first chapter of the story. Let me show you how amazing AI art generators can be. We'll use BlueWillow, a free tool similar to Midjourney. Once you join their Discord server, you'll see a constant stream of newly generated images by millions of users. To generate your own image, start with a prompt. Just type a / and then imagine. From there, you can describe the image you want to create. Simply refer back to the story chapters you generated previously and copy the first one. For my story, I wanted an image of a mischievous monkey named Cape swinging through a lush forest. Now let's generate the image. Type a /, then imagine, followed by your chapter topic. After the image is generated, you'll see 2 rows of buttons. The top row has U1, U2, U3, and U4 for upscaling your chosen picture, which means to make the picture bigger. The bottom row offers V1, V2, V3, and V4 to create 4 similar variations. In summary, U1 upscales the first image, while V1 generates new variations. I like the 4th image, so I clicked U4 to enlarge it. To save the image, click on the image, then right-click on the image and save it to your device. Now, let's proceed to create the second image for the chapter. To maintain the same style as the first image, follow this simple tip. Copy the image link, start the prompt, and paste the link before describing the new image. This way, you can ensure consistency. I like the second version, so I clicked on U2 to upscale it. I repeated this process for all the images, and in about 30 minutes, I had the pictures ready. I won't repeat this for all chapters to avoid a lengthy video, but you get the idea. Start section by section and generate images based on your story's topic. Now let's generate the voiceover. Go to ElevenLabs, paste the script created with GPT, and select your preferred voice. Once you've chosen the voice, click here to download the audio file. Next, let's generate the video. This is a new feature in an old tool that automates video editing. It's called Clipchamp. But let's focus on the Create a Video with AI feature because this feature eliminates manual work. It's free to use, even the upgraded version. You can export HD videos for free. Sign up, and at the top, click Create a Video with AI. First, insert the title and specify the video type, for example, YouTube video. Add your own media, such as the images generated in BlueWillow. Drag and drop the images to upload. Click Get Started to begin video creation. Customize the colors by thumbs up or thumbs down. Thumbs down to unwanted colors, thumbs up for preferred ones. Next, choose between landscape or portrait for a YouTube video. I'll select landscape. Click Next to play or proceed to timeline editing. The timeline feature automates the manual work for us. No need to drag and drop images manually. It even adds text, music, and transitions. To add a transition, click the plus button. Let's upload the voiceover and drag it into place. Here, I'll add the music I downloaded from YouTube to avoid copyright issues. Additionally, we'll add captivating text to each image, elevating the overall appeal of the video. To accomplish this, simply navigate to the left side and locate the text option. Within this menu, you'll discover a diverse range of animated text styles. However, for our purpose, we'll select the option that offers plain text. Once you've made your choice, effortlessly drag and drop the selected text onto the designated timeline. Now comes the exciting part. But first, kindly show your support by liking and subscribing. By hitting the thumbs up button, you empower me to continue crafting captivating content. And remember, the more likes I receive, the more videos I can create. We'll extract a portion of the script and seamlessly integrate it into the text element. Feel free to unleash your creativity by customizing the font, adjusting the size, experimenting with different colors, and exploring various formatting options. This is your chance to infuse the video with your personal touch, giving it a unique and polished appearance. And if you're feeling particularly adventurous, don't hesitate to incorporate captivating effects that can further enhance the visual impact. To expedite the process and save valuable time, I'll speed up the process by adding text and adjusting pictures. By skillfully adding text overlays and making subtle adjustments to the images, we can create a harmonious flow that captivates viewers from start to finish. With each modification, the video will come alive, gaining momentum and intrigue. Once all the creative enhancements are complete and the video is masterfully crafted, I can't wait to unveil the final result. By sharing the completed video with you, I'll showcase the transformation and demonstrate how these carefully curated elements have harmonized to create a captivating visual experience. But before I play the video, I want to mention something. In the end, the key is to consistently produce a minimum of 10 videos each month. Create your own YouTube channel and regularly upload these videos. They have tremendous potential to attract a significant audience and generate substantial viewership. As your channel gains momentum, you can apply for a partnership with YouTube, opening up opportunities to monetize your content and start earning income. Now, let's take a look at the final video. Enjoy.
Once upon a time, in a lush forest, there lived a mischievous yet devoted monkey named Cappy. Cappy was known for his playful nature and curiosity about the world. He would often observe the animals in the forest and learn from their actions. One day, Cappy overheard the forest dwellers talking about the wise and compassionate Buddha, who had been visiting nearby villages, spreading his teachings of love and liberation from suffering. Intrigued by these conversations, Cappy decided he wanted to meet Buddha and learn from him. Driven by his desire, Cappy embarked on a journey through the dense forest, swinging from tree to tree and leaping across branches with great agility. After days of travel, he finally arrived at the village where Buddha was delivering a sermon.